Learn an English idiom with a short story. Beat around the bush. She needed to talk to her roommate. They'd been best friends since college, but something had changed. The apartment was messy and she was always cleaning alone. It was frustrating, but she didn't want to start a fight. One day, she tried to bring it up, but instead of being honest, she beat around the bush, asking about her roommate's new shoes, then chatting about a movie. Finally, she took a deep breath and said what she really felt. Her roommate was a little embarrassed at first, but she promised to do her part, and more, to make the home feel good again. Speaking up was scary, but when it's kind and honest, it can make life a little easier. Beat around the bush. It means to talk around a subject without getting to the point, especially to avoid something difficult or uncomfortable. He joked around and told random stories to beat around the bush before finally asking for help. Like and subscribe. We don't beat around the bush. We really need you.